Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Elizabeth. Today's video is going to be a Locs and Looks video. The star of this is the Morphe Boss Mood palette. I am using this palette on my eyes today, and I am also going to be showing you how I use earrings in my hair. So, you know, just giving you a little bit of tips and tricks as far as my hair goes. If you are here for either or maybe both, then you just want to go ahead and keep watching. So we're going to jump right into it, but first let me welcome anyone who is new to my channel. I am Elizabeth and we cover all things beauty related here, and we also love really affordable options. So if you're into any of that, then go ahead and subscribe. But to talk about this palette, you guys, I haven't been this excited for a palette in a very long time, and the palette that I am speaking of is the Morphe Boss Mood palette, and here is what it looks like. It's everything you want in a palette. So I know you've heard a bunch about this palette already. Some of the things that stood out to me, and I'm just going to briefly touch on this because I don't want this video to be super long. These shimmers are on a whole nother level. I absolutely love this palette. These mattes, everything just blended out so well, and you will see in the demonstration how everything works. But I am really enjoying this palette, and if you are anything like me and you love affordable but you love good quality, then I say just go ahead and go pick this up like ASAP, you guys. Okay, this is such a gem. So we're going to jump right into the demonstration. I had to touch in these purples. They are bomb. So yeah, let's get to it. So the first two shades I'm going to take is Play It Cool and Peachy King, and I'm going to take that all over the crease. Now, Play It Cool is such a beautiful transition color. I think it's not too pigmented, and it's like a really nice brown, so it will kind of blend everything out. And then Peachy King is a little bit darker in the palette. I think these two browns are all you're going to need for this palette. Like, they're gorgeous. And then on top of that, I'm going to take Red Carpet, and I'm gonna go over the top, like directly over the top of the first two shades, just to give a little bit of color in the crease. Next, I'm going to take the FOTD directly in the crease, and I am taking that on my Real Techniques blending fluff. The next color I'm going to take is a Power Slayer, and I'm going to take that on the outer V, and I'm going to use a brush that I got in my Urban Decay Naked palette, and it has like a blending brush on one side, and then it has like a pencil brush or a smudge brush on the opposite side. I'm going to take that and I'm going to go in the V just to darken it up really good. So the next shade I am going to take is Indie Glow Queen, and I'm going to put that right on the lid. You guys, this deep purple is so beautiful. Look at this. That's the color I'm going to take, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid with my finger, just because I want those shimmers to come through. It has like these, y'all know I'm bad at description, but like these very warm sparkles in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and take Grape Expectations, and I'm going to put that in my tear duct. So that's going to go right in the front, and this shade is also stunning. So on the bottom lash line, I also did smudge the FOTD that I put in the direct crease. I also smudged that on the waterline. So then I went ahead and went in with my knobby pencil, and this is in dark fuchsia. This basically matches the Grape Expectations like to the T. So this on my lower lash line is giving me so much life right now. And I'm going to go ahead at the last minute. I probably didn't even record this. I'm going to take what color is this? Daredevil, and I'm going to pop that right in the middle center of the lid. So I have all three of these shimmers on my eyes right now, and I am so happy about this because I love purples. So that's really all I did. I know it seems like I use a lot of eyeshadows because I wanted to really see how the mattes were. I wanted to see how the shimmers were. So I tried to use as many as I can, and it did not It's so good. Yeah, that's how I got this look. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I got my hair and what I used in my hair. This should be exciting little hack for you guys, okay? You don't necessarily have to have locks to follow these tutorials. You can do it on your regular hair. And whether you're here for the locks or the looks part, thank you for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, I hope you've considered subscribing at this point. If not, what else can I do? You've made it this far. Go ahead and subscribe and become a part of the royal family. Make sure you click that bell too so you can get notified whenever I upload. Stay on top of this. Stay on top of this. And if you need to get caught up on my videos, whether you are a subscriber or a new subscriber, because you just clicked that button, I will leave some videos around my head so for you all to check out. And as usual, God bless you all and have a great day, night, or whatever it is where you are. Bye guys.